Wendy filled a bucket with vegetables from her garden. The vegetables weighed 7,000 grams. She sold 4,200 grams of vegetables. How much the remaining vegetables weigh? This is easy.
Okay. How are you going to set it up?
7 million minus 420 million.
Okay.
Oh, I can't do that. Stupid me. Make that a 9, make that a 0, make that a 10. 10 minus 0 equals 0. Make that a 19. 19 equals 9. 19 equals 9. Never mind. Equals that. Never mind. Make that an 8. 8 plus that equals 2. All right. I came up with a stupid answer. Hopefully it's the right. I came up with a bigger answer
I'm guessing that's probably not the right answer.
7,000 minus 4,200. Since this is minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Alright, this equals 6. Make that a 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. And then 6 minus equals 2. 2,800! We're right. 7,000 minus 400. 7,000 minus 4,200 is 2,800, right?
But it wasn't an even 7,000.
Yeah, well, because 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 0
Hang on,
equals
go back
0.
to the question.
Wendy filled a bucket with vegetables from her garden. The vegetables weigh 7,000 grams.
Oh, okay.
She sold 4,200 grams of the vegetables. How much did the remaining vegetables weigh? 2,800.
Yeah. Grams.
I don't get number 1. Wait, we're finally on Friday! Woo!
So what is number 1?
Maria drank 3 liters of water last week. Her friend drank twice as much water as Maria. How many liters of water did they both drink? My teacher put IL or 1L, 1,000 ml.
So 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter.
Equals 1 milliliter. Right?
Okay, but the question is, how much water did the two of them drink?
Both drink.
That's right. So
She already put the answer for you.
what's the answer?
1 millimeter.
No.
1 milliliter.
No.
1,000 milliliters.
How much did Maria drink? Or Marie?
Marie drank 3 liters
She drank 3 liters.
of water last week.
And how much? Who's her friend?
Our friend, it just says her friend drank twice.
So how much did her friend drink?
6 millimeters.
No. It is 6, but it's not milliliters.
6 liters. Millimeters? I don't
Liters.
know. Liters. 6 liters.
So Marie drank 3, and her friend drank 6. How did you get 6?
3 times 2?
Because it said she drank twice as much, right?
Yes.
So 3 times 2. All right, so Marie drank 3, her friend drank 6. How much did they drink together?
9 meters.
Liters.
Liters.
And how did you get 9?
Because 3 plus 6.
Okay, so read the question at the end of the problem.
How many milliliters of water did they both drink?
So they drank 9 liters.
Oh. Her friend drank 9 and she drank 6.
No.
Put those together, they drank 15.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, Jaden. Okay.
Yes, Jaden.
Be quiet and listen.
Why?
So they told you that Wendy drank 3.
Uh-huh.
You had to figure out how much her friend drank.
Uh-huh.
She drank 6.
Uh-huh.
But what is the unit of measure on what they drank? Was it L or was it ML?
ML. L. I don't know.
In the problem, does it say she drank 3L or 3 liters?
Yeah.
It says 3L,
3 liters.
3 liters.
That's what the first one drank.
And then her friend drank twice as much, so it's 6 liters. But the question is how many milliliters, which is why your teacher wrote that conversion on there.
So I'm assuming it's equal to 9,000 meters.
Milliliters.
Milliliters.
Yes.
So do I just write that?
You have to tell her how you got to it.
All right. We're almost done. I can't believe it. It's taken over 2 years, but we're almost done. Yeah, guys, this video is 2 years long.
It feels like it. My arm's going to sleep.
I just haven't changed my clothes in 2 years.
Are we on the last problem?
No, we're on the last 2.
Okay, please read the problem.
No. Every Saturday morning, Jack reads for 30 minutes, plays basketball for 60, and rides his bike. If Jack starts these activities at 10:25 a.m. and finishes at 12:10 p.m., how long does he spend riding his bike? So, 1,025 minus 1,210. You put those and make them numbers! Durr! Burger.
So how much time does he spend doing all of those things?
30 minutes.
Yeah.
No.
From 10:25 to...
An hour and 30 minutes. At least with reading and basketball.
Look at the time stamps that they gave you. 10:25.
25 a.m. and 12:10 p.m. That is still daytime.
I get it. So 10:25.
You minus it, right?
You can't.
Okay, this problem is impossible.
10:25. When is it 1 hour?
60 minutes.
Okay, but what time would the clock say after an hour?
6 and a 12.
If you start
It
at
would say like for example like 600.
You're not listening to me.
Yes, I am. You literally said that, and I'm trying to get it, but you're saying it's not when it's the right answer.
If you start something at 10:25 and then you do it for an hour, what time will the clock then say?
What?
Okay. At 10:25, I tell you to go out and shoot basketball for an hour. What time can you come back in?
11:25.
I just asked you the same thing 3 times and you finally got it on the 3rd try. Okay. So you started at 10:25 and I said you could come in an hour later, and so you could come in at 11:25. What if I had said 2 hours later? What time would it have been?
12:25.
Okay. So in this problem, the clock starts ticking at 10:25 and it ends at what time? It's not 12:25, it's
11:25.
no. Look at your problem. It's
12:10.
Okay, so it's a little less than 2 hours.
So it's in 2 hours and 10 minutes.
I just said it's a little less than 2 hours. So how can it
Oh,
be 2
it's
hours?
an hour. I don't know.
Okay, so it's a little easier for me to think about. It's not quite 2 hours. So how much short of 2 hours is it? To get
a minute and 59 seconds. A minute and 59 minutes and 50 seconds. 59 seconds.
Are you done running your mouth?
I don't know.
So 12:10 to 12:25. How many minutes is that?
12:10 to 12:25. It's 15 minutes.
15 minutes. And at 12:25 it would have been 2 hours. So it's 15 minutes short.
It's an hour and 45 minutes. It's
Bingo!
a miracle. It's a miracle.
Oh my goodness, we have finally figured out how much time he spends total. All right, now.
We do nothing.
You already told me that he spends an hour and a half on the couple of activities they gave you time frames for. One of them was
He spends an hour and 30 minutes on both of them.
Okay. So if you have an hour and 45 minutes and you take away an hour and a half.
15 minutes he rides his bike.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, we figured the answer.
Oh my. Now you got to figure out how to write all that down.
Wait, why am I laughing at that?
I have no
I don't
idea.
know. Should I just write a whole bunch of lines and hopefully she understands?
Oh, I don't think so.
Hopefully she understands hopefully she understands
How about
line language.
write down what we solved. So 12:25 minus 12:15
12:15
minus 10:25
equals 0 1 dot 0 2 equals
an hour and 45 minutes.
equals
1 hour 45 minutes.
correction. It equals 12.
Jaden,
12.
we're not looking for a time. We're looking for a duration.
I don't know what that is.
1 hour 45 minutes.
So I plus them.
No.
Oh wait! I'm supposed to do 10:25 plus an hour and 30 minutes. I don't.
Okay, you've completely lost track of what we just did.
No, we did. No, I didn't.
We had to figure out how much time there was between 10:25 and 12:10.
Mhm.
And you figured out that it is how much time?
An hour and 25 minutes. An hour and 30 minutes. Oh no, an hour and 45 minutes.
Yes. So that's why I'm saying put an hour and 45 minutes there.
Hour 45 minutes. Minus that, you get.
Okay, and then you have to add the time he spends on reading and the other thing.
So I minus them to then add the. I don't get this. Oh, wait. So I put 12:15 down for no reason, and then add 1 hour 45 minutes plus an hour and 30 minutes. You told me to put 12.
You just completely confused yourself.
You told me to put.
Okay, let's start over. They tell you in the problem how much total time. No. They tell you in the problem when he starts these activities and when he finishes these activities. So we're using that start time and the finish time to figure out how long, that's the same thing as the duration, how long he spent doing all three of these activities. So that is why I said 12:10 minus 10:25 equals 1 hour and 45 minutes, right? We already established that 12:10 is 15 minutes short of being 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
So that's 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So 12:10 minus 10:25 equals 1 hour
and
45 minutes. All right, now, the next part of the problem is how much time did he spend on each?
Okay, this is all I have so far.
I don't see anything. Equals 1 hour and 45 minutes.
So 12:15 minus 1 hour and 45 minutes
No.
equals 1 hour and 45
No,
minutes.
12:10. That was his stop time. 12:10.
Ooh, wait. 12:10 minus 1 hour and 45 minutes.
No, minus his start time.
Oh, 10:25. Okay. 0 minus 5, you can't do that.
No, okay, you cannot truly subtract because clock time isn't like regular numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So we had to just think through that. But the difference in that start and finish
so then
time,
I put equals 1 hour and 45 minutes.
you put equals 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Equals 1 hour and 53 minutes.
Okay. Then his you can solve this multiple ways. His 3 activities have to equal 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So put how much time he spent on the first activity.
30 minutes.
Okay, so put 30 minutes. And not just the number 30, because we've got multiple units of measure going on.
Wait, so
here.
right under that?
No, like next to it, Jane. This is a separate
I
part.
can't put it next to it, see?
What about the white space?
I was going to use that for number 3.
There's a whole big giant white space.
That I will use for number 3.
You have to finish showing your work. Find a place to put this.
Right under it.
Okay, whatever.
Alright, put 30. Alright.
Minutes.
M-I-N.
Okay. And then how much time did he spend on the next activity?
60.
Okay.
Minus.
No.
Plus 60. 60.
And then
Plus 60. M-I-N.
plus.
Equals.
No. Plus some other amount of minutes.
Plus question mark.
Minutes.
Question mark. I can't. Plus question mark. M-I-N.
Equals 1 hour 45 minutes.
Equals 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Okay, now can you see the problem that we have just minutes on one side of your equation and we have hours and minutes on the other side of the equation?
Mm-hmm.
So we probably need to change your hours and...
Oh, I know the mystery number. It's 10. Because 30... Never mind.
Okay.
No, it's 15. It's 15. It's 15.
We already established earlier, probably 20 minutes ago, that it is 15. But you have to show it. So, back to where I was. Can you see that you have just minutes on one side of your equation, and you have a mixture of hours and minutes on the other side of your equation? So, you need to have just hours or just minutes?
Just minutes.
So, let's convert our hour and 45 minutes into just minutes. So, this means
60 minutes, 40 minutes, and 5 minutes. Unless 60 minutes and 45 minutes.
So what does that equal?
An hour and 45 minutes.
How many minutes? Without saying convert that hour into minutes.
So like...
You just told me how to do it. You said 60 minutes. That's the hour part.
60 minutes
Plus 45 minutes.
45 minutes equals
100.
145.
No.
100.
What's 60 plus 40?
And 105 minutes.
105 minutes. Okay, so now we can get to solving for our question mark here. So on the left side of your equation, you now have 30 plus 60. How much is that?
90.
Okay, so 90 minutes. Write that down. 90 minutes. M-I-N.
Where? Next to it.
Someplace in the white space.
Alright, right under this, I guess. Alright, 90 minutes.
Plus question mark minutes.
Plus question mark M-I-N.
Equals.
Equals
How many minutes did we come up with when we converted our hours and minutes?
105.
Okay, equals 105 minutes.
We're done with that problem.
No, we're not. So, we need to know how many minutes the question mark minutes are.
15.
So if you subtract, you've got to get the question mark. Will you listen to me, please? I agree with you, but we've got to show it on paper. You want the question mark minutes on one side of the equation by themselves. What? Okay, this could lead us into a 20-minute discussion. I'm not going to ask you what. Can you see that if you subtract 90 minutes from both sides, where you have 90 minutes minus question mark minutes, you also put minus 90 minutes, can you see you started with 90 minutes and you subtract 90 minutes, that gives you 0 minutes? Okay, and whatever, because you've got an equation, you have an equals mark in the middle. You got it, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other to keep it equal. So, write this down and then we'll talk about it some more.
No, I don't want to talk about it some more. I want to get the problem done and over with.
I guarantee you, I want to be done with this more than you do.
No, you have no idea.
Write down what I'm telling you to write.
Okay, write down what
Jaden.
I'm telling you. All right, tell me what to write.
Question mark minutes.
Question mark M-I-N.
Equals
Equals
105 minutes.
100 and sunscreen minutes.
Minus
Minus
90 minutes.
90 minutes.
What's what 105 minus 90?
Equals 55 minutes. For 25 minutes. Yeah! 10! See, it equals 15, yeah. I said that already! Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Replay it. Yes, I did.
I will replay it.
I'm ready.
Write the answer that you just said.